I'm a full loom weaver, as a many a man knows. I've now eaten, I've worn up me clothes. Me clogs are both broken, and stockings I've none. You scarce give me twopence, for all I've got none. Old Billy a Bent, he's been telling me long, we mightn't have better times if I'd never hold me tongue. Well, I've held me tongue till I've near lost me breath, and I feel in me heart that I'm soon clemmed to death. I'm a full loom weaver, as of many a man knows. I've now eaten, I've worn up me clothes. Old Billy were right, but he ne'er clempt, and he ne'er picked an hole in his life. We held on for 6 weeks, thought each day were the last. We tarried and shifted till we were quite fast. We lived upon nettles while nettles were good, and Waterloo porridge were the best of us food. Old Margaret declares if she clothes to put on, she'd go up to London for to see the great man. And if things didn't alter when there she had been, she'd swear that she'd fight with blood up to the end. I'm a full loom weaver, as of many a man knows. I've now eaten, I've worn up me clothes. Stockings I've none, nor no looms to weave on, and I've woven myself to far end.